Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing an empty apartment tour. Today is moving day, and if you didn't see my previous video about moving, I'll link it in the description box down below. You guys can watch that after this. But I'm so excited to live in a new apartment, and I'll show you the funniest thing about this apartment at the end of the video. But basically, this is our front door. We just came in. It's all very new and like recently painted and everything, which is really exciting. That's the front door, and this is the living room here. So off the living room, we have a balcony. Very nice. And then we have these massive beige curtains, which is interesting. And then we just have the like little push out windows here. Okay, and then in here, it still smells like paint. There's hardwood floors, which is really nice. So this is like a little dining nook. I want to put like a little short bench there with a little small breakfast table. I just think that would be really chill. This is the kitchen. I must say the kitchen is a bit smaller than our old kitchen, which is kind of a downside, and I absolutely hate this with a passion. I hate that blue, so I'm gonna see if we can do something about that. But to be honest, the whole kitchen's quite old. I will also say this is definitely not our dream apartment, and we're a bit bummed when we found out that we had to move. Because I'm working part-time, we can't really afford the apartment of our dreams right now. We have a 12-month lease here, and we're gonna see how we go here, and then possibly after this we might move into an apartment that we really love. But this is kind of just, it works for now. So yes, this is the kitchen. Electric stove. We have a tiny, very small oven and a very small dishwasher. I've actually never seen a dishwasher this small. Oh my god, it's so tiny. But at least we have a dishwasher, and there's quite a bit of storage in here. And then through here, there's a door, and then this is all like pantry storage. So this is way more storage than we could ever need. So we're gonna find out some other things that we can use this for. But yeah, it's a lot of storage in here. And then we're gonna have to sort out what's gonna go in here. And then we go through here, and we have a lot of doors again. So we'll just go over here first. This is the bathroom. Oh, they left us a little fake plant. Okay, so we have the shower. We have a shower curtain instead of, in our last apartment we had a glass door, which I really liked, but you know, this works. The shower is a shower. It's not amazing, but it's just a regular shower. We just have a bathtub, which I'm really excited about, and in this apartment our toilet is in the bathroom, which is all right. And then here we have the exact same setup that we had in our old bathroom, but right here we have 2 mirrors with shelves. So this is actually a bit bigger than what we had in our last apartment, because last apartment we just had one mirror. So that's exciting. And we actually have a doorknob on the bathroom, which I'm sure our guests are going to love. And this is a spare bedroom. So it's quite small for a bedroom. We're not planning to use it for a bedroom. We're planning to use it as like, I'll put my desk in here and probably use this to film stuff. The good thing is that we have a fan in here. We didn't have a fan in our other spare bedroom. And then we also have a balcony off of this bedroom. So there's this like tiny little door. It's so cute. And oh my god. Oh, it's locked. Okay, wow, that took me way too long to figure out. So we just have this balcony over here. Funny thing about this balcony is that it's very short. Like this probably only goes up to like my jeans are higher than this balcony. Michael's convinced that I'm going to get drunk with my friends and fall off the balcony, so I hope that doesn't happen. Then in here we have a laundry room, which is so much nicer than our old laundry room. It's very clean. I don't know what's going on over here though. That's tile, and it's like kind of gross, so that's not great. And then we have a nice big window in here, and we have a little random closet, and then we have a spot for a washing machine here. washing machine in our old apartment wasn't ours, so we're getting a new one, which is very exciting. And there's just so much storage in this apartment, like it's a bit overkill for us. And then this is the master bedroom. So it's actually also smaller than our old bedroom, but we have an air conditioning unit in here, which is very exciting because we didn't have air conditioning in our last apartment, and we have a fan. So double whammy there. Very exciting. And then here we have a mirror. It's not just a mirror though, it's a closet. So we have the shelves. Don't know what we're gonna do here. We're gonna have to sort out something because there's only one closet between the two of us. The other bedroom, as you saw, didn't have a big closet like this. So that is going to be a situation. We're just gonna have to sort something out, but also in this one there's no drawers, it's just shelves. In our last one we had drawers, so we're thinking we might get a dresser. Yeah, we might get a dresser and put the dresser in the other room because Michael gets up super early and I don't. And Michael usually gets up early and gets dressed and gets ready for work and leaves way before me. So currently in our old apartment, he had the second bedroom closet and he would just get ready in there so that he wouldn't disturb my slumber. But this is gonna have to be a work in progress. We're gonna have to think of something, but it's gonna take us a few weeks to fully like furnish our apartment. Well, by weeks, I mean months, and get everything set up. So this is what it is currently. This is everything. I don't think I missed anything, did I? There's also this closet that I didn't show you, which is literally just a hot water heater closet. This is actually pretty big too. I don't know if we can put stuff in here. Can you put stuff in the closet with the hot water heater?
Yeah.
Like we could maybe put the vacuum in here. This would be a really easy access vacuum spot. And then maybe some like, I don't know what we'll put up there. Maybe our off-season clothes can go up there. Can you put stuff above it? I don't know. I'm always scared that it's gonna catch on fire. That's the whole apartment. It's nice, it's light, it's bright. And okay, now for the funniest part of the apartment. It's next door to our old apartment. This is our old apartment right there. That's our balcony and that's our living room. How good is that? I think that's so funny, and it actually makes the move so much easier because we don't have to like pack the car up and drive stuff and then move it back. So very exciting. So this is the empty apartment. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, because we're going to be doing a lot of videos coming up about furnishing this apartment in my lovely minimalist airy style. Airy fairy. No, it's like, I really like minimalist, earthy, plant vibe kind of style. So I'm gonna have to furnish this whole apartment. It's gonna take me a while, but we're gonna do it and it's gonna look beautiful. So make sure you're subscribed to follow along with that. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, bye. It's funny from this view.
This one you actually get more of a view though. Look,
we have much better views from this balcony. The camera doesn't really pick up the city. You can see it a little bit, but we have, oh, come on. Okay. There we go. You can see the actual city of Sydney from here, which is kind of cool.